Hi guys, welcome back to my amazing kitchen. My name is Abba. Today on the menu we are having some delicious lamb chops. So come along and let's get right into the video. So I have here my beautiful lamb chops which I have cleaned and patted dry so it's ready to be seasoned. For the seasoning, I'm going to be using some garlic and onion powder, that's some oregano, that's some suya powder and cayenne pepper. Finally, you want to add your salt, and of course, this is to taste. Now add a little bit of oil. I'm using peanut oil, but any neutral oil will do. Give it a good mix until the spices are well mixed with your oil, just like this. Now pour your marinade all over your lamb chops and make sure that every single lamb chop is well coated with this beautiful marinade we just made. So once your meat is well coated with our marinade, we are going to cover this with some cling film and allow this to marinate in the fridge for at least 4 hours. Overnight is even better. To get the best out of this recipe, you really need to marinate your meat. So after 4 hours or overnight, you want to take out your meat from the fridge, allow it to come to room temperature for about 15 to 20 minutes on your counter, and then transfer this onto a grilling rack, which I have lined with some aluminum foil because I don't want any extra work after cooking. The aluminum foil will catch all the drippings from the meat and make cleaning very easy for me. So whilst you are waiting for your meat to come to room temperature, go ahead and preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Alternatively, you can also cook this in your grill pan or skillet. It will work just fine. And if you are going to be grilling this in your oven, make sure to use the right setting, as grilling and baking are not the same. I have reserved about a tablespoon or 2 of the marinade, which I'm going to use to baste our meat halfway through the cooking. I grilled my meat for about 7 minutes on each side, but this can vary depending on how done you want your meat to be. We like our meat well done, so you may want to decrease the amount of your cooking time depending on your own preference. Baste your meat on both sides with the marinade we reserved and put it back in your oven for an additional 7 minutes in my case, until your meat is well done. So this is about 7 to 8 minutes later, and my lamb chops are done according to my preferred doneness. So juicy and so delicious. You want to allow it to rest for about 5 to 10 minutes so that it can retain the moisture before you start slicing them. And there you have it, my simple and also delicious grilled lamb chops. I served this with some roasted potatoes and some veggies, and it was a match made in heaven. Well, if you made it this far into the video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment down below and let me know what you think of this recipe, and subscribe if you haven't done that yet, and become part of the amazing family. I really hope that you are able to give this simple recipe a try. So until I come your way next time with another amazingly delicious recipe, remember that cooking should always be fun and exciting. So cook this meal with love and see it radiate through the hearts of your family. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in my next video. Bye.